Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Speed Reading Mastery Double Reading Speed Skillshare Class. Lecture 6. Introduction. Strategies for improving comprehension while reading quickly. Active reading techniques for better understanding. Annotating and note-taking methods for effective comprehension. Enhancing memory retention and recall of information, applying critical thinking skills to the reading process. Introduction. Welcome, everyone. Today we'll be talking about a topic that impacts nearly every aspect of our lives: reading comprehension. Whether you're a student trying to ace an exam or a professional looking to advance your career, having strong reading comprehension skills is essential. But what exactly is reading comprehension at its core? It's the ability to understand and interpret written material. And while it may seem like a basic skill, the truth is that many people struggle with it. In fact, studies have shown that poor reading comprehension can lead to low academic achievement, decreased job performance, and even social and emotional difficulties. Strategies for improving comprehension while reading quickly. Skimming is a technique that involves quickly reading through the material to get a general idea of what it's about. This can be useful when you're trying to get an overview of a text, or when you're short on time. When skimming, focus on headings, subheadings, and bolded words to get a sense of the main ideas. Scanning is another technique that involves searching for specific information within a text. This can be useful when you're looking for something specific, like a date or a name. When scanning, look for keywords and phrases that relate to what you're looking for. Active reading techniques for better understanding. Active reading is a technique that involves engaging with the material actively rather than just passively absorbing it. It helps readers better understand the material by encouraging them to ask questions, make predictions, and summarize what they have read. Asking questions is an effective way to engage with the material and gain a deeper understanding of it. When you ask yourself questions while reading, you are actively seeking answers and processing the information more deeply. Making predictions is another technique that can help you stay engaged with the material by trying to anticipate what will happen next. You are actively thinking about the content and using your critical thinking skills. Finally, summarizing what you have read can help you solidify your understanding of the material and remember key points. Annotating and note-taking methods for effective comprehension. Annotating and note-taking are powerful tools for improving reading comprehension. By taking notes and marking up the text, readers can better understand and retain important information. Effective methods include highlighting key points, underlining important details, and using sticky notes to mark pages or passages that require further attention. When annotating, it's important to be strategic and intentional. Avoid simply highlighting everything in sight, and instead focus on identifying the most important information. Use symbols and abbreviations to quickly convey meaning, and make sure to review your notes regularly to reinforce your understanding of the material. Annotating and note-taking methods for effective comprehension. Memory retention and recall are key components of effective reading comprehension. Without these skills, it's difficult to retain important information and use it later on. To enhance memory retention and recall, there are several techniques you can use. Repetition is one such technique. Repeating important information in your mind or out loud can help cement it in your memory. Visualization is another technique. Creating mental images of what you're reading can help you remember details more easily. Association is also helpful. Linking new information to something you already know can make it easier to remember. Applying critical thinking skills to the reading process. Critical thinking skills are essential for improving reading comprehension. By analyzing and evaluating the information presented in a text, readers can better understand its meaning and implications. One way to apply critical thinking skills while reading is to ask questions about the content. What is the main idea? How does this relate to what I already know? Are there any biases or assumptions being made by actively engaging with the material in this way? Readers can deepen their understanding and retain more information. Conclusion. Improving reading comprehension is a crucial skill that can benefit individuals in various aspects of their lives, whether it's academic pursuits, professional endeavors, or personal growth. Strong reading comprehension abilities are essential for success. In conclusion, here are some key points to consider when aiming to enhance reading comprehension. 1. Active reading. Engage actively with the text by previewing, questioning, summarizing, and reflecting on the material. This approach promotes deeper understanding and retention of information. 2. Vocabulary development. Expand your vocabulary by regularly encountering new words and using context clues to infer their meanings. A robust vocabulary enhances comprehension by enabling a clearer understanding of the text. 3. Reading strategies. Utilize effective reading strategies, such as skimming, scanning, and note-taking, to enhance comprehension. These techniques help identify key information, grasp main ideas, and make connections within the text. 4. Reading widely. Explore diverse genres, topics, and formats to broaden your reading experience. Exposure to a variety of texts enhances your ability to comprehend different writing styles and perspectives. 5. Practice and persistence. Improving reading comprehension takes time and consistent effort. Regular reading practice, combined with deliberate efforts to employ comprehension strategies, will lead to noticeable improvements over time. 6. Seek assistance. If you find yourself struggling with reading comprehension, don't hesitate to seek help. Consider working with a tutor, joining a reading group, or using educational resources and tools designed to enhance reading skills. Remember, improving reading comprehension is an ongoing process that requires patience and dedication. By incorporating these strategies into your reading routine and maintaining a positive mindset, you can strengthen your comprehension abilities and enjoy the numerous benefits that come with it.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.